Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to create workflow rules. So if you come into Zoho CRM and go into setup, under automation come into workflow rules and here create a rule. Now you have to select a module for the workflow would be created. In this case I will select the leads module and let's just say update lead. Update lead status. Next. Now from here we have to select an action. I'm going to select record action and I will say that I want the record action to run when a lead is created or edited. Next. Now in here I can select, this is one of the conditions that I can select. I can select certain leads matching certain conditions based on the field, or I can say all leads and do a done and update the field. So create field, update status. I want lead status to be updated to attempted to contact, save and associate. So this is a simple workflow rule. It will run when a lead is created. Let's change the edit. Let's just say it's created and done. So the rule is very simple. It would be executed when a lead is created, and this would run for all leads. And it's a simple field update to update status, and the status would be updated to attempted to contact. That's all. Let's save this. And let's go into our leads module, and what we can do is we can test our workflow, how it would work. So let's create a lead. Let's do test 22 test, and then I'm just filling all the mandatory fields, and I will keep the lead status field to none, empty, and let's save this. So I've saved this, and automatically I can see here lead status has been updated to attempted to contact. Now I want to check if my workflow has run or not. I can check this in timeline, and here you can see lead status was updated from contacted to attempted to contact through field update status and via workflow rule. Now this is the workflow that we've just created. So you can go into here, and this is the workflow that I've just created. So coming back into the lead, we can see that our workflow has successfully run, and it's given us attempted to contact, exactly same thing that we've asked for the field update to do. Now, sometimes things don't go according to plan, and there are failures happening with workflows. So if you cannot see in the timeline that your lead, that your workflow has run, or the field has not been updated, then you can go into setup and come into failures, type in failures here, and you can, if your workflow has failed to run or has failed, or if there's any issues with it, there would be failures that would be showing up here, and then you can rerun the workflow or rerun the function, however it is. So you'd be able to see the failures logs here. So that's all for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstarIT.com. Thank you.